I wanted to be known as Dr. Rob the Car Doctor, so this is my second rodeo with Integrity Auto Care. The first shop I had, I wanted to specialize in diagnostics, but it was more like the 90s. So it was just starting to be understood about diagnostics. But as the years went on, the technician in me watched the industry go up with complex electronics, and the amount of technicians coming in was getting less. And I was just right there, I'm like, man, you gotta get back in. The industry's in trouble because of integrity or trust. I don't think shops mean to lose trust, but cars are hard to diagnose, and you have to be honest with the customers. The customers will understand, so integrity and honesty is real big. That's why I call it Integrity Auto Care.
So my name's Angie Bushnell. I called because my wife's truck was broke down. We couldn't figure it out. So we called around and Brad answered the phone, and the way that they speak to you, it's as if they truly understand that you have a budget, and they honestly want to work around that and be able to get people's vehicles out there on the road safe again.
You know, that's my goal. It's pretty simple. Automotive needs help. I want to provide the answers for levels of diagnostics and how to sell diagnostics.
The tools and resources that we have is something that I think makes what we do more unique than I think a lot of shops. Specifically Identifix, I mean, it's the #1 go-to for pattern failures for us. When I talk to the customer and I tell them we're the doctors of the industry, you know, we're out consulting just like another specialist would in the medical industry. We're consulting other specialists. So when I communicate that to my customers, it gives them a level of reassurance that not only are we taking the collective knowledge that we have here, which is extensive in itself, but we're also adding that together with a specialist that specializes in their specific make and model. The receptiveness is incredible.
My name is Mark Wilson. It's been probably more than 5 years that I've been a customer. I have 5 vehicles. They range from 1996 to 2006. And so one of them was starting to have a problem. It was very difficult to solve. And Rob just was so diligent about just working through the problem. He'd bring out the schematics and he'd be like, okay, I'm tracing it from here to here to here to here. It's that personal service, right, from start to finish that you're really looking for.
Word spreads pretty quickly if you do the repairs correctly and communicate and really just tell the truth about how difficult it is. So it's okay if you don't know everything. It's okay if you need to ask for help.
If they come to an issue that is not in their specific purview, like if it needs another muffler or something like that, they essentially introduce me to the people, right, that they trust. Since I trust, you know, this shop, I have no problem, you know, just extending that to whoever they recommend.
The hand that we try to give everybody here, we don't leave any dealerships, other shops, anybody that's willing to work with us, we'll work together with them because, you know, there's more cars than we can all take care of.
I believe in Rob and the reason the shop is here, to solve people's problems, and I believe in the team that's doing it.
From the moment that we walked in, I just felt like these guys were going to take care of me.